Welcome back, my friends. I'm so happy you are here because we have the cutest craft for you. We're going to start with a white balloon, but it could be any color you want. We're also going to use a rubber band, some black and white paper. Now, the white paper is more of a cardstock because this is poster board, and then the black paper is construction paper. I'm going to use the circle shape puncher. I'm also going to use a pair of scissors. I'm going to use a permanent marker as well as some googly eyes. I'm also going to use my double-sided tape because we are working with a balloon, so we do not want to use hot glue. And then we're going to use some of these glass stones. But if you have like a stone, like a regular stone, you can do that as well. All right, so I'm going to glue the two stones together. I want it to be a little bit thicker. That's why we use two instead of one. I'm going to have my little helper here insert the stones inside the balloon. And then we are going to just slide them all the way to the bottom. And then we're going to place the rubber band around it, just like you see me doing here. Just do it a few times until it's nice and tightened. Then we're going to flip the balloon inside out, just like you see me here, so that the stones and the rubber band are now inside of the balloon. Okay? So then, once we have it in there, we're just going to fill it up like we would any regular balloon. Once I have it filled up, just enough to have it just the size that I want, I guess, we're going to tie it, and look how cute. And now it stands. Oh my word. I love this one. Okay, we're going to use this round tape just to kind of give me the shape of a circle. And I'm going to use the white poster board and just cut them. For the inside, we're going to create circle shapes also. But these are going to be the little ears for our little, I think it's a little polar bear. My daughter thinks it's a little mouse. I don't know. You tell me. All right, so I traced the inside of the tape so that we have the shape of a smaller circle. And this is what we're going to place on the inside of the white circle. So we're going to use the two-sided tape, and we're going to place it right there in the center. Again, these are going to be the little ears, although they look like eyes. I promise they're ears. All right, I'm going to cut a piece of poster board, just a small, thin piece, and I'm going to fold it in half, add two-sided tape. We're going to add this to the bottom. This is what we're going to use to attach to the head of our polar bear. I'm going to punch hole two of the white circles and one black one. And we're going to attach it. This is going to be the nose. So we're going to put the two white ones next to each other. And then we're going to add the black one on top. Then we're going to attach the googly eyes on the area where the eyes would go. And then we're going to attach the ears and then add some details with a permanent marker. Oh my word, how adorable is this? Okay, so we're going to take the permanent marker. I'm just going to make some freckles on the white circles and then add some whiskers. But look how cute. You can add a little tail if you want. This is such a fun craft. The fact that it stays upward is just beautiful. Let me know what you think of this one. And as always, I do have another video here for you to watch with tons more crafting inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.